Welcome back to another interesting video, guys. So today we will be exploring light depending resistor, and then we will create one project using this in which we are going to control LEDs using array functions. So let's get started. So come first, let's explore our LDR deeply. LDR are simply resistors that have a special type of functionality in them, that is, they change their value according to the intensity of incident light on them. First, let's understand this table. So this table shows that when the brightness of light increases, the value of resistance increases, and when the brightness decreases, the value of resistance also decreases. So didn't you all find this stuff interesting, as we can create many mini projects using this. We'll also create, don't worry. So coming next, we will understand the implementation process, like how are we going to actually perform this thing in our circuit. So to understand the circuit, we need to understand voltage divider circuit. We connect our LDR and the fixed resistor value like this, and then we will vary the brightness of our room or wherever is your setup is placed, and doing that changes the voltage at the junction as shown, because it is dependent on the value of the two resistors, right? So to measure the change, we will connect one of our Arduino's analog pin to that junction, so that if any changes occurs at that junction, the resistance can be measured in the analog pin. If you want to know that how analog pins measures resistance value, go check out my previous upload in the I button. So as we measure the resistance at that point, we can easily implement that in our code. Like, we can always set a threshold value for that, and then we will perform any task we need to perform. Easy, right? So now as we know very well about LDRs, we can easily create this project. So come, let's build this circuit on our Arduino. The circuit is easy to set up, so we will meet after the setup. Okay, so hey, I'm back after connecting all the wires in the circuit, and it is looking like this in the end. So come, let's see the coding for this project. So in the coding section, we will first declare an array in which we have kept the digital pins on which our LEDs are connected to. Second, we have declared the pin on which our LDR is connected. So I connected my LDR to analog pin 0. You can connect to any of the 5 pins present. Next, coming to our setup function, we have declared all the pins as output. So that's it for the setup function. Now in the loop function, look carefully what is happening. First, we have declared a variable that will store the real-time value of analog pin 0. Next, see, I have used a if condition. So use this if condition according to your convenience. I mean according to the lighting of your room, right? So if the real-time value of LDR drops down below 500, we will switch on the LEDs one by one using the for loop and the arrays. We have also used a random function that will simply randomize the value delay can take in between 30 to 200 milliseconds. Easy. Rest all the code is self-explanatory. No need to explain that. So that is all. Now we will upload the code after selecting the right component and board in the tools menu, and see what you get. Beautiful LED is blinking as soon as the light decreases beyond a certain value. Doesn't it look cool? Now you can innovate this according to your convenience. Like, you can attach as much as LEDs possible in series connection and then control all the LEDs using Arduino. So that is all for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If yes, then please like the video, and guys, please subscribe, as it really helps the channel. So thank you for watching till the end.